Hey guys, you're probably wondering how to fix Honeywell Thermostat. Says wait right here, for example. Let me explain one thing about this. Okay, what does this wait sign here actually mean on your Honeywell Thermostat? So if it is showing the wait message here, usually it's not actually an error that you need to worry about. So this actually usually means that the system is protecting your HVAC equipment. So the wait message appears because your thermostat is delaying the compressor from basically turning on too soon. So this is like a normal safety feature here, prevents damage from, shorts, or in this case, prevents damage from short cycling. The delay usually lasts about 5 minutes, right? Around 5 minutes. So what you need to do, easiest way is just wait it out. For now, wait at least 5 minutes. It should go away. Okay? If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to find your solution.